Okay, so let's quickly unbox this Kalashnikov Boker Plus. It's the Automat Kalashnikov 09. It says that on the blade. This is what you get in the box here, multi-language. Congratulations on your Boker knife. That's on the case. Pretty nice case here. Pretty cool. Says Kalashnikov and then some Russian on there. And the knife. They're all shipped in these plastic things. There's the plastic bag, there's the knife. Pretty cool. Feels nice in your hand. It's pretty grippy. I'll check the weight on it. Liner lock right there. This one says 3414 on lower on the blade there. Here the blade material is 7C17 MOV. So CR17 MOV. It's like chromoly steel, I believe. And then over here it's got the logo and the Kalashnikov 09, and then this represents, looks like a 9mm bullet there. Cool handle. Some jibbing down there. Tiny bit of jibbing, well, tiny little bit of jibbing right in here. But I guess that kind of works. But this is like shelf queen. This is gonna sit on someone's collection. It's not really gonna be an EDC, I don't think. But it's a pretty nice knife. I have it up for auction today only. Maybe you'll win the auction today, and I'll send it to you. Anyway, this is a quick review. I always do this, you know, check the blade for play, and it does not wiggle. No wiggle there, that's good. And the liner lock is stout. You want the stout liner lock so it's safe, and it's hidden so you're not gonna really activate that liner lock while you're using it. But like I said, that's just gonna sit in someone's collection. It's just to have, but it's pretty cool. If you're into guns, it's very nice. Up for auction today. You get what you pay for. It's a fairly nice knife, and if you're a collector and you want a cool knife just to have, I would recommend this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.